In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Ecwid. Imagine you've created an amazing online store using Ecwid, filled it with products, and then realized that you need to switch the language to better communicate with your target audience. Whether you're expanding your market, targeting a new demographic, or simply accommodating your preference, changing the language of your Ecwid store is an integral part of personalizing and optimizing your online shop for success. First things first, let's begin by navigating to Ecwid's main page. On any internet browser of your choice, enter the URL for Ecwid's official website. This will take you to the homepage of the #1 free e-commerce shopping cart and online store solution. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed. Click on this to proceed. Ecwid makes it really easy to log in, especially if you have a Google account. Look for the Sign In with Google option on the login page. It's a fast and secure way to get access without having to remember another password. Selecting Sign In with Google will bring up a list of Google accounts associated with your device. Choose the account you want to log in with. It's crucial to select the account associated with your Ecwid store to avoid any confusion or login issues. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the Ecwid control panel. This is where you manage everything related to your online store, from products and categories to settings and site design. Now, to adjust the language settings first, hover your cursor over the settings option in the bottom left corner. This will expand a menu where you'll see several options. Among these options, click on General. This is where Ecwid centralizes basic store settings, including language, currency, order settings, and more. Once you're in the General section, navigate to the language settings by clicking on it. This area is dedicated to setting up the language preferences for your store. In language settings, the next crucial step is clicking on Change Store Language. This action opens up a world of languages Ecwid supports, from global languages like English, Spanish, and Chinese, to more region-specific options. Take a moment to scroll through the list and select the language you wish your store to operate in. Ecwid's platform is built to be intuitive, so finding and selecting your preferred language should be a breeze. Once you've made your selection, it's time to finalize your choice. The last step in this process is clicking Save. This button is usually located at the bottom or top of the page, depending on the interface. By clicking Save, you're confirming all the changes you've made, including changing the store's operating language. With that, you've successfully changed the language of your Ecwid online store. This change will now reflect across your store interface, making it more accessible and inviting for your new target audience. Remember, communication is key in e-commerce, and by ensuring your store speaks your customer's language, you're setting the stage for a better shopping experience, which can lead to increased sales and customer satisfaction. For those looking to expand globally or cater to a local market more effectively, changing your store's language is a straightforward yet powerful adjustment. And with Ecwid, the process is simple and seamless, allowing you to adapt and grow your business on the international stage effortlessly. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. You're now equipped to navigate language settings on Ecwid and tailor your online store to meet the needs of your diverse customer base. Remember, it's all about making your shop as welcoming and accessible as possible. Happy selling!